Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to make photos black and white in Canva. This is a simple effect that gives your images a classic, clean, and professional look. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, to make an image black and white, all we have to do is click the photo, then click Edit at the top of the toolbar. From there, we just need to go to Filters and select See All. Here, we will find filters that include black and white options. As we can see, there is a filter called black and white, also known as mono. When we select it, it will turn the photo black and white. We can choose the one we prefer and adjust the tones to match our needs. This is the black and white effect, and that is how we make our photos black and white in Canva. With just a few simple steps, we can transform our images and improve our overall designs.